Hi everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I've got this Marzocco Linea Mini here. So this machine was just brought in to have a plumbed-in kit installed. So as you can see here, we've got the braided cable, and here's the drain tube, and then I did take out the water tank, so you can see that here. Did adjust the expansion valve, and I installed a new overhead gasket just because the old one was a little bit brittle, so when we tried to pull a shot, it was just leaking from the sides. So otherwise, I'm just going to pull a shot and show you that the machine is working. This is our test coffee. It's not calibrated to this machine, so you might see the shot pull a little fast or a little slow. Looks pretty good to me. Okay, just for demonstration purposes, I'll stop the shot there. So you can see the shot came out pretty nice actually. We've got our hot water there too, and then I'll show you the steam. Okay, that's about it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.